Now we are going to read the part 4. Madam rides the bus. What your mother be looking for you? The conductor asked when he gave the girl her ticket. The conductor asked whether your mother will be looking for you because she is alone in the bus. No, no one will be looking for me, she said. And she said, Valli said, no one is going to look for me. The bus started, and again there were the same wonderful sights. The bus started its journey back, and she could see all the same thing that she could saw when she was coming. Valli wasn't bored in the slightest and greeted everything with the same excitement she would felt the first time. And here Valli was not bored. Her excitement still remained in her because it was her first ride. But suddenly she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside, just where it had been struck by some fast moving vehicle. But suddenly she saw a young cow lying dead and it had been struck by any vehicle. Isn't that the same cow that ran in front of the bus on a trip to town? She asked the conductor. So she asked the conductor whether the same cow they saw while going to town. And the conductor nodded. Nodded means talayatuga. Shook his head. And she was overcome with a sadness. And the conductor said yes, and she became very sad because the cow she had seen running and frightened, and now it had been dead. What had been a lovable, beautiful creature just a little while ago had now suddenly lost its charm and its life and looked so horrible, so frightening as it lay there, legs spread legged, a fixed stare in its lifeless eyes, blood all over. So she felt very sad by the look of this beautiful creature, and now its charm lost because it was running happily in the beginning, but now it is dead, and its eyes are just were open and blood was flowing all over there. Its legs were spread. She was looking very sad. The bus moved on. The memory of the dead cow haunted her, dampening her enthusiasm. Dampening means depress. She no longer wanted to look out the window. The bus moved. The memory of the cow when she thinking about cow making more and more feelings. So she lost her all enthusiasm. So she did not like to enjoy the sights from outside. So she did not to look through the window. She sat thus glued to her seat. Glued means attached. Or with the feelings until the bus reached her village at 3:40. Here she sat very quietly, not energetic, and until the bus reached her village at 3:40. She stood up and stretched herself. Then she turned to the conductor and said, Well, sir, I hope to see you again. So, when the time get in, she got up from her seat and said to the conductor, I hope to see you again. Okay, madam, he answered her smiling. And okay, madam, he answered with a smiling. Whenever you feel like a bus ride, come and join us and don't forget to bring your fare. And he also told her when you want to bus ride, come again and enjoy. He also said that don't forget to bring your fare. Just like a fun. And he said to Valli. She laughed and jumped down from the bus. Then away she went, running straight for home. She laughed and get out from the bus, and she went back to her home with running. When she entered her house, she found her mother awake and talking to one of Wally's aunts, the one from South Street. Here, she went home, she reached home, she saw her mother inside, and she was talking to one of her aunts. This aunt was really a real chatterbox, near closing her mouth once she started talking. So, this woman, aunt, was chatterbox. Chatterbox means, we already said who keeps on talking. So, very talkative. So, this lady was also chatterbox. It means when she begins to talk, never closes her mouth. And where have you been? been? Said her aunt when Valli came in. She spoke very casually, not expecting a reply. So her aunt asked, where were you? നീ എവിടെയായിരുന്നു എന്ന് ചോദിക്കുകയാണ്. She spoke very casually, not expecting her reply. And so Valli just smiled, and her mother and aunt went on with their conversation. Valli just smiled, and Valli didn't give answer because her aunt said it very casually, and the mother and the aunt continue their conversation. Yes, you are right, her mother said. So many things in our midst and in the world outside. How can we possibly know about everything? And even when we do know about something, we often can't understand it completely, can we? Oh, yes, breathed Valli. Here, so both of them were talking. Both of them means aunt and mother. They were continue their talking, and their talking, and they were telling that they were not able to understand about things happening around them. Valli was also joined, and she said also joined in their conversation, and she said yes, it's correct. And what asked her mother, what is that you say? Oh, said Valli, I was just agreeing with what you said about things happening without our knowledge. So immediately she answered, Valli answered, what her mother saying? What her mother saying? What are you trying to say? Valli said, no, I'm just agree with whatever you both talking. And so many, what they talk, so many things they happened without our knowledge. What really happened? We didn't know about what really happened around us. And Valli also agreed with that. Just a chit of a girl she is. Chit means child or baby, said her aunt, and yet look how she pokes her nose into our conversation, just as though she were a grown-up lady. Pokes her nose means takes an interest in something that doesn't concern her. And so aunt immediately come and said, chit of girl, somebody who is immature. And she also made a comment that how Valli was taking interest and gave her answer like a grown-up lady. Likewise, she said. Valli smiled to herself. She didn't want them to understand her smile, but then there wasn't much chance of that, was there? What happened? She smiled because she had done something without their knowledge. So that what she done, So that was in her mind. She smiled to herself. So she was just thinking in her mind that there is no possibility these two ladies to understand what she had done. So she smiled herself. And you know what she had done? And she had done a bus ride without her mother's knowledge. So we come to know lot of things about Valli. She was intelligent girl. She was sensitive, self-respect